Feels so good to be back in this car right now. No, it's not summer. It's still winter. I think we're right about February, maybe 10th at this point. I don't know the date. Yeah, February 11th. Today's gonna be an awesome day. We got the nitrous set up, fully done on the car. I got the A-pillar installed right here. I just got to put some screws in it. I've got the gauges working, lighting up, going good. And today we're going to the tuner. So we're going to D-Mark today in Arlington Heights, and we're gonna get the car tuned today. So we're gonna have some fun today. So we just got off the expressway. We're almost to D-Mark's, and I was at the light, and I just took off a little bit. I wasn't really hitting the gas. I was just normal driving. Guy in a Brinks truck stops in the middle of the intersection, like right before he goes through. It just gives me the hell yeah, man. I think he likes the sound of the Nightmare, so. Okay, she's being taken. Next time we see her, she'll have 125 shot of nitrous on her. Bye. All the magic's gonna happen. It's got like cobras sitting in here. Look at this. Hell yeah. So we're finally at D-Mark's. They're inside. He's got the car all hooked up. He is chilling out actually in the waiting room. It's really nice in here. If you guys haven't been here, man, Drew's place is awesome. He's got all the coolest stuff in here. So we're just gonna wait a little bit, and he's gonna let me know when I can go back, and we're gonna get some videos of it on the dyno and do a couple baseline runs, and then mess with the timing, and then hook up the rest of the nitrous and let her eat. So it should be pretty cool. Okay, so we're headed to get something to eat before he starts really digging into the car. Got Joe with me now, though. Nice. So Joe just got here, and he already just told Drew he's adding a few extra things to his build list, and Drew's like, what?
Well, we're gonna...
Like, there's no way you're gonna hit the gas with the good pour down. All strapped in?
I come to the stock first.
Yeah? Oh, really? So what do we, you're doing a baseline pull? On the tune they have right now? Cool beans. Awesome. We should have brought earplugs. No, it's too sweet.
Okay.
He's already got a fun smile on his face.
Yeah.
Let her eat. Here comes the heat. Oh, he's plugging his ear. Oh my God. Wow. 700 members. We're sitting at D-Mark still. He just dialed in the first. We did a test pass on the car. 425 or 420 something to the wheels. But on the dyno jet, if you put the dyno jet tune on it, was 434.
Yeah.
And now we're taking the timing out. He's got 7 degrees out right now. We're gonna add the nitrous, so we'll see what it runs with the nitrous. I would say probably within the hour we'll know, so we do some test passes. So we're just chilling, waiting on it. Perch one more time. Yeah. What? You didn't do a full bore? You did? Okay, so normal power curve here, the red, and then this is the nitrous. So first pull is 512 to the wheels, 503 torque. Fist looking like all the way.
I'm touching it.
You got it?
I got 2 fingers on it.
The jet is, yay!
Really accurate. It's pretty much right, 125.
Yeah.
So.
Dude, you had it. Joe had it on the money. He's calling, what is it? What is your guess?
525 wheel.
Okay, 525. What's your guess?
Mine?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 428.
428? You're out of your mind.
Yes.
428.
I'll go 528.
528? Okay, I'm gonna go 5. I'm gonna go 529. Yes, $1. $1. Put it in the filter. I think you got Joe. That was crazy.
Turns out Eric's a premature purger.
I just purged it. Oh my.
Well, there you have it, boys and girls.
He's smiling, look at him. What did he think? Oh, he's on the money! No way!
That's right.
Read that! What was that, Joe?
He's got enough nitrous in there to blow himself up, for real.